Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Samsung SmartThings account for hubless device management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. If you do not have the app, download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the main screen, look for the option to log in or sign in. Tap on that option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Samsung account. Type your email address in the designated field carefully. Next, tap the Next button to continue. You will now be asked to enter your password. Make sure to input your password accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you have entered your password, tap the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged in to your SmartThings account. In the event you forget your password, there is an option to reset it. Tap on the Forgot Password link to initiate the reset process. Follow the on-screen instructions to regain access to your account. Now that you are logged in, you can navigate to the Device Management section. From the home screen, look for the Devices tab at the bottom of the app. Tap on Devices to view all connected devices. You can add, edit, or manage your hubless devices from this section. To add a new device, tap the plus icon at the top right corner. Follow the prompts to select and configure your hubless device. Should you encounter any issues, consult the Help section within the app for troubleshooting tips. That concludes the detailed guide on logging into your Samsung SmartThings account for managing hubless devices. You are now ready to control and manage your smart home environment efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.